Welcome to the exciting world of mechanical engineering. This field is all about designing, building, and testing machines. Labs are where theory comes alive. Labs help you understand how things work in the real world. You get to apply what you learn in textbooks and lectures. This hands-on experience is essential for becoming a successful engineer. Let's explore the key aspects of mastering mechanical engineering labs. Labs bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. Imagine designing a new type of bicycle brake. You calculate the forces and stresses on paper, but does it work in reality? Labs allow you to build and test your designs. You see firsthand how different parameters affect performance. This iterative process of design, testing, and refinement is fundamental to engineering. Before setting foot in the lab, preparation is crucial. Read the lab manual thoroughly. Understand the objectives, procedures, and safety precautions. Familiarize yourself with the equipment you'll be using. Prepare data tables and graphs in advance. This organization will help you record and analyze data efficiently during the experiment. Remember, proper preparation is the foundation for a successful and insightful lab experience. Active participation is at the heart of lab work. Follow the instructions meticulously, take accurate measurements, record observations diligently. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Engage in discussions with your lab partners and instructors. Analyze the results critically. Does the data support your hypothesis? If not, why? Embrace the learning opportunity that each experiment presents. Safety is paramount in any laboratory setting. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses, lab coats, and closed-toe shoes. Familiarize yourself with the location and operation of safety equipment. Follow established protocols for handling equipment and chemicals. Report any accidents or spills immediately to the instructor. Remember, a safe lab environment ensures a productive and enjoyable learning experience for everyone. Communication is key, reporting your findings. Effective communication is crucial in engineering. After completing an experiment, you'll need to present your findings clearly and concisely. This typically involves writing a lab report. A lab report should include an introduction, methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion. Use graphs, charts, and tables to present data visually. Practice clear and concise scientific writing to effectively communicate your findings. Standardized testing and measurement ensuring accuracy and reliability. Standardized testing and measurement are essential for obtaining accurate and reliable results. Imagine testing the strength of a material. Using a calibrated testing machine ensures consistent and comparable results. Calibration ensures that instruments provide accurate readings. Standard test methods provide a common framework for conducting experiments. This standardization enables engineers to compare results, validate designs, and ensure product quality. Real-world applications, where lab work comes to life. The skills and knowledge gained in mechanical engineering labs have direct real-world applications. Consider the automotive industry. Engineers use sophisticated testing facilities to evaluate vehicle safety, performance, and efficiency. From designing crash test dummies to optimizing engine performance, lab work is instrumental in developing safer and more efficient vehicles. This connection to real-world applications highlights the relevance and importance of lab work in engineering practice. Conclusion: forging competent engineers. Mastering mechanical engineering labs is an integral part of becoming a competent engineer. Labs provide the hands-on experience, critical thinking skills, and problem-solving abilities necessary to excel in this field. Embrace the challenges and rewards of lab work. Through active participation, attention to safety, and effective communication, you'll develop the skills and confidence to tackle complex engineering problems and contribute to innovation in the years to come. To